Hi, I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Beet Happening. This cocktail was created by Alexis Solar, who co-owns Old Glory in Nashville, Tennessee. She was a club bartender for a long time and then started getting more comfortable doing cocktails, higher-end cocktails, and then her and her sister opened up Old Glory and they developed this drink together. The recipe calls for fresh beet juice. We didn't exactly know where to get fresh beet juice, so we actually just got a couple beets, peeled it, and then pureed it in our food processor with some water. It wasn't the easiest route to go. I'm sure there's easier ways to do it. So if you know any easier ways, please let us know in the comments. Anyway, we're gonna start off with 1 ounce of fresh beet juice. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. A 1/2 ounce of agave nectar. A barspoon of Greek yogurt. We always use Faya. It's a very good consistency and the taste is spot on to real Greek yogurt. Last but not least, we're going to use mezcal. This is Del Maguey Vida. All right, 1.5 ounces of Vida Mezcal. We're gonna go ahead and dry shake this. That means we're not adding any ice. We're gonna get it all together with just a quick dry shake. So much easier to shake without any ice weighing you down. So I'm gonna grab a Tom Collins glass, and I already crushed some ice up. So we're serving this on crushed ice. Just gonna pour that ice into the cup. Push things down, get it compacted, and top it off. Nice and slow. For a garnish, we're gonna use fresh dill. We're gonna go ahead and smack our sprig to get the aromatics going, and then take the stem and just stick it down in the center. So we have the sprig of the dill just sticking out of the drink nice and smellable. We're gonna take a straw and stick it in right after. After you pour this drink into the crushed ice, you have to wait for the Beet Happening to really chill because you didn't add any ice when you were shaking. So wait till like the outside of the glass gets a little chill on it. You're gonna see that ice forming on the outside, and then you know your drink is ready. So let's give it a taste. Okay, that is so interesting. First and forward, this is a mezcal drink. It's highlighting the mezcal, #1. You're getting the sweet beet taste mixing with the agave nectar, but it's lightened up by the tartness of the Greek yogurt and the bitterness of the lime juice. And it's really coming together in a sweet vegetal way. Like if you were going to have a salad that had like arugula and berries and like some balsamic, it's just like that kind of sweet, bitter, tart combination. But you get so much of the smokiness from the Vida Mezcal, and the color is amazing, and it's super fun to drink like naturally bright purple cocktails. I read that this bartender, Alexis, loves making really like brightly colored cocktails, and that's very apparent right now. I want to say the dill adds a lot, but honestly my nose is too taken over by the mezcal. So I'm getting the smokiness, I'm tasting the beet, I'm getting that lime juice and the tartness and creaminess from the Greek yogurt. And the more I sip it, the more I like it. Every time I take a sip, it just gets better and better. I really like this drink. This would be a good replacement for mimosas and Bloody Marys at brunches. I'm Sammy, this has been Bar Under the Stairs, and you watched me make a Beet Happening. Let us know what kind of mezcal cocktails you like in the comment, and please subscribe, and we'll see you later.